Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete MySQL database table entry from Node.js program. So first thing, make sure that you have MySQL npm module installed. Type in npm install MySQL. Once you have that properly installed, you are ready to run the code in the video. Next thing, open text editor such as sample.js file we have created in Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can create this in any other text editor of your choice. Okay, next thing, type in MySQL equals to require, then call for MySQL module. Then let's create connection object with MySQL dot create connection. Okay, inside which we are basically creating a curly bracket that has host, localhost, then we have user, okay, which will be, let's say, root instead of demo, okay, then password demo1234, okay, then let's say database, which is going to be my PHP. Okay, now inside this I have table named user base, and I have one row there which has username as Alex and password some say admin. Now I want to delete this row. Okay, so I'm going to create connection. Okay, so with this, let's use function and then check whether it gives error. If error, then throw error. Okay, then we will create one variable, have it SQL query for us, delete from user base where username is, let's say, Alex. Okay, or if you have any other username, you can delete that. Okay, to check which username you want to delete, you can simply comment this part out. We will form one more query and check the available set of rows, select and then star from user base. Okay, and next thing, we will run this query. So SQL, then function, error result. Here we're going to check again if error, throw error. Okay, and then console.log result. Okay, simple. So we will first check our list of available rows, then I'm going to comment this part out and then use this delete query to remove username Alex. Okay, so open your command prompt, type in node sample.js, hit enter. Just make sure everything's correct, all those errors taken care of. Now hit enter and it shows you list of available rows for you. So I want to create one more entry and remove this Alex username. So I want to use delete query for removing this row. Okay, so let's clear this, come back to our program, comment this part out. Again, for console.log, I'm going to comment that out too. So console.log removed one entry. Okay, then variable SQL delete from user base where username equals to Alex, and then make sure double quotes are ending here. Now let's open command prompt again, run the program, and it says removed one entry. But to check that, we have to go back and comment this one out, run again, comment this one, and remove the comment for earlier. Now open command prompt and run the code again. And you have your fifth entry, Alex, removed from your table. So this was a short video on how to remove a database table row using delete query in MySQL from your Node.js program.